Welcome, in front of me is a BLACKVIEW A80s, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and from the boot options select power off. Now when the device turns off, which is indicated by the vibration, hold power button and volume up at the same time. So once you start holding these two buttons, after, 10-20 seconds, you will see the BLACKVIEW logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. There we go. Now, once we're in the recovery mode, you can also let go of the volume up. There we go. And then using either volume up or down to navigate up or down, you want to scroll and select enter Fastboot mode. Now there's also enter or reboot to bootloader, which might also be a Fastboot mode, though I'm not fully sure about that one. But in any case, this will be definitely a Fastboot mode. So I'm going to click on it, and there we go. Now in here, just like on the previous one, we do have several options which we navigate using volume buttons, and power button will also be used to confirm whatever is selected. And going over these options, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Enter recovery, which is the previous page. We have reboot to bootloader, which, like I mentioned before, as a possibility is just also another Fastboot mode. And then we have power off. Anyway, I'm going to stick with the first option, confirm it. And like I mentioned, this just reboots the device and brings me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.